Hello, hello, hello. How are you?
Collection, our first luxury collection made in Switzerland. We only sell it through events like this around the world. We've just been in Marbella, now we are in Berlin. We're gonna be in New York 28, 29, then Las Vegas, Beverly Hills. We're gonna make like a world tour. Completely Swiss made, automatic watch with the finest quality materials. This is the Crypto Queen. Skeletonized watch, eco ceramic case, stainless steel details, gold plated. You can see the movement from the back. It's a 40 hours power reserve autonomy. We have in different version, and what you see inside is real diamonds, 0.18 carats. And we also did one version with more diamonds, with stainless steel case, gold plated, with a dark chocolate bracelet in silicone, or yellow gold plated with a black bracelet. So this is gonna change absolutely the market of watches. We are the first company who are doing watches with the NFT related. This is also, we call it Crypto Queen. We are a visionary company. We work with cryptocurrency. We own a land in the metaverse. When the customer will receive the watch in 6-7 months, inside the box there will be like a QR code. They can scan it and they get the NFT of the watch. So something that is very new in the watch business.
But that's future.
Yes, that's the future. Nobody did it before. And we also have the Crypto King. This is the Crypto King collection. So we created different materials like the polycarbonate case, carbon fiber, stainless steel with 18 carats gold details, but also full gold. The watch that you see right here, the case 18 carats gold. Again, we have an automatic movement, 40-hour power reserve. If you can see on the back what is written, this is our philosophy. Fuck the haters. We are the most hated brand because we do things different from the others. But we do our way, and this is our success. We don't follow the rules, we don't follow the others. It's Philip Line style. And every watch has its own NFT. Every watch.